Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished building the WP7543 Pro Forks. These are the in-house JBI suspension, R&D, and test forks. In case you didn't watch the last video, as you can see, we did a few minor updates. Anodized the lower lugs brown. Inner tubes, we did JBI DLC coat. Upper tubes, JBI Fukushima coat. And then, of course, we have it revalved to our JBI suspension motocross spec. This is a new setting we have inside of there, one we have not tested yet. It features our JBI titanium subvalve inside of it. These are already very high-performing forks. So we are excited to see what the addition of a subvalve would do. Likely it's going to work as we expect, just like it has in the many other forks we adapt subvalves into. To summarize that, it's going to give this fork better hold up during aggressive riding, but also prevent it from being too overly soft when we give it a plush setting. So what I mean by that is the fork should remain comfortable and smooth on small to medium bumps. This is referred to as rider comfort, rider compliant. But the fork should still have good hold up during aggressive riding. And by hold up, I mean they won't dive excessively under hard braking and have good hold up during hard landings. The reason subvalves are such an important piece is because they really increase the damping efficiency of the fork. The next step is to go testing. Again, these have our JBI suspension motocross spec, so we'll be at the motocross track testing. We're gonna work with our rider, Parker Shields, and see what kind of feedback we can get from him and see what further updates and improvements we can do to these forks. Thank you guys for watching. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.